Welcome back to August Luxury Motor Cars. Welcome back to an episode of Daily Driven Exotics. That is the last time. Oh, we got something for you guys. I need an exhaust for the C8. We've been talking about how Dave's car, yes, the MP412C, has pretty much met its limit. We have wheels now on the car. We have a top mount exhaust. We have a carbon fiber air brake wing, whatever you want to call it. It's tuned by Gintani. It shoots flames. Dave shoots flames out his arse when he eats beans. This car has a wrap, and I think it's time that this car moves on. So what do you think, Dave? Time for a new car?
Oh no, I'm gonna keep this car and buy a new car.
No, you're not. We're gonna get rid of this car. Let's go car shopping. Come on, Chris, let's find something tasteful for Dave. Something that doesn't scream douchebag. Probably a little too old. What do you think? DBS?
Too old.
Aston Martin? Too old. It's a 2019. I think you'd look good in that.
Not a young person car, I'm a young person.
Did he just call an Aston Martin DBS Superleggera not a young person's car?
Yes.
The only problem with this car is it's got too much class for you. This is what you need, a Bentley.
W12?
This is right up your alley.
It's got a Bugatti engine.
488 Spider. Oh, you don't like hard tops.
In case I roll over, I want some protection.
Ooh.
That's new.
That's a legit contender, I think, for a DD car. You guys have been screaming, new McLaren, upgrade from this, skip the 650 because it's basically just a facelifted MP412C. And get yourself a McLaren 720S. Now,
You've driven this car.
I've driven this car. I've driven this car back in 2017 with Gabe, and it was winter.
So the reality is
The
540C. Did you know there's a 540, not a 570, a 540? I think these are only in Canada.
They are only in Canada. You cannot get this model in the United States. This is one of my favorite. You can't buy this because I would like to buy this. This is an amazing car. The gentleman who spec'd it out went full bananas on it. Pano roof, beautiful black and red interior, updated steering wheel. This car is pretty much the perfect spec. Carbon fiber, black wheels. Hold on, first of all, we're looking for a car for Dave. I always make this about me, don't
I want something more modern. The McLaren's older, the Squadron's older. I want Bluetooth, I want navigation.
I've got you.
You
like black.
I like black.
Black. You want to do black? Mid-engine?
Yes.
Boom. You want to go back to the black Gallardo?
I already have a 14 Gallardo, I have a 13 Gallardo.
There you go, Gallardo. Nah,
That'd be good for the internet, wouldn't
Let's
it?
go ask Mike. Mike will have a solution for us.
Hey!
How you
I need a new car. I only have 2 supercars, and one doesn't have Bluetooth. It's time for an upgrade.
Why don't we get this out of my office?
What's this? What is this?
It's exhaust for your Corvette.
No, it's not. It's a Home Depot
It's a Home Depot
I
box.
guess you can buy exhaust for a Corvette anywhere.
Now you're just insulting me.
Put the camera in there.
Oh! Full titanium exhaust. Peanuts in there!
You guys go get started on the exhaust. I'll bring it around.
Whoa!
Better be
something
good,
for you.
Mike.
There's an explanation for why it's in a Home Depot box. This was last minute. I couldn't get an exhaust for the C8 from anyone under 3 weeks. These guys made one custom in 5 days and shipped it here from Florida.
Okay, looks like there's some hard work happening, which means I leave. And I do this all the time. I tell Damon I got a conference call or a phone call. Head to a small, quiet place, and I play Raid Shadow Legends, which happens to be today's sponsor. This is my promo, okay? I need to play this right now.
Why?
You like it?
Yeah, it's awesome. Look at the graphics on this thing.
Mike is totally hooked. Mike, can I have my Raid Shadow Legends back, please?
No,
it's supposed to be my time. You can download it for free. Links are in description. It's available for iOS, Android, and PC. Raid has 16 different factions, including orcs, dwarves, undead hordes, and many more. If you scroll to the index screen, you can find them all there. Each faction is made of many unique champions. My favorite are all the banner lords. Seriously, like check this out. Look how crazy those graphics are. How does my phone even do this? So these are all the skills right here, and each one has different skills. This one's super cool. It increases ally HP in dungeons by 50%. I'm gonna pick you. Challenge yourself to your edge in the ongoing tournaments. Compete against the entire raid community while fighting Spider's Den, Ice Golem's Peak, and the Almighty Fire Knight, or the Notorious Dragon. I challenge you to come find me under username Dave_DDE. Come fight me in the game, not real life, because I'm a complete coward. So what are you guys waiting for? Click the link right now, download Raid Shadow Legends, and get these exclusive rewards. If you're a new player, you're gonna get 100,000 silver coins and a free champion, the Hexweaver, which is a really awesome champion that you usually only get after playing the game for quite a while. All this treasure will be waiting for you here. The rewards will be available for only new players for the next 30 days. Best part, it's absolutely free. Click the link in the description, download Raid today.
And you guys, this is the last time you're gonna hear the C8 La Corvette stock. You wanna give it one more rev for them? Come on. No, that's not gonna do.
What? It's a V12 limousine from Japan.
This thing is
Right-hand
sick.
drive.
This thing is fancy. Okay, that's cool. Glenn, you've earned yourself a cold brew. Sit back, relax, have a massage. We're gonna get an exhaust installed. Boom, now we are ready to do the C8 exhaust install. Who's ready to see this? I think we need to do an unboxing to actually reveal the product for you. Oh, what do we got? Holy, that's light. Look at that color. This is a full titanium exhaust. I think this is actually, no joke, the world's first titanium exhaust. World's first titanium exhaust on a Corvette C8. Love that. Now the fun thing we usually say is, this is too good for Dave. This exhaust is definitely too good for the C8 Corvette. This car retails for $102,000 Canadian. This exhaust is worth about $10,000. I'd say MSRP because it's built out of titanium. There's a full catback exhaust. So this exhaust is 10% of the value of the entire car. Holy shit. Look at this, Mike Hall.
Mike Hall.
World's first titanium exhaust for the C8.
It's also the world's only. They made this just for us.
They did make this just for us.
Who made this, Damon?
316 speed, our boys RG. That's right, we also have Charlie turbos and Johnny. Woo! Woo! These are the tips. Oh yeah. Woo!
What do you like better?
Yeah, I'm not a fan of these.
No,
these are way better. What do you think? Titanium.
I love
Is it light?
Yeah, super light.
Holy crap. Yeah. You felt that? You don't even need two hands.
Whoa.
RG was, we gotta give RG a shout out.
Call him right now.
He was gonna fly in his private jet to bring this in case they couldn't ship it to Canada. That is dedication and a little bit of flexing. He flexed a little bit with that one.
Flex.
Rear bumper delete. Although it's not quite like a Lamborghini, it's not that pretty. You don't want to rear bumper delete this car. That is ugly as Okay, so we were just discussing, in order to see the exhaust through the mesh, why don't we just remove the mesh? Do a delete of the mesh. I think it's probably the smartest thing, because you want to see that beautiful titanium exhaust made by 316 speed. Thanks again to the boys. Do you think you could lift this thing with one hand without any assist?
Oh yeah, I'm pretty strong.
You're pretty strong.
I'm pretty strong.
Chris is flexing. He knows what to do though. He knows how to, he holds this kind of stuff all the time.
He doesn't play just the tip.
Just the tip. We're free. We are free. That thing is huge.
It is really heavy.
Is it?
The arm curl of that?
You think you could, do you think you could hold that with one arm? Okay, ready? Let go.
Nope.
No. How heavy do you think that is?
100 pounds?
That's 100 pounds for sure. That is probably the biggest weight savings you could get right there, is by removing the stock C8 exhaust off the car and then going with an ultra lightweight 316 speed.
Oh, I don't know if I can handle it.
Right? Like, that's how light it is. I can throw it up and
try
catch
with
it.
that one.
I don't even think I can pick this up off the ground. Hold on. There we go. One-handed. I'm the only guy here who could do it. No! You know my hands are never dirty. You know why?
Not dirty?
Because I don't do any manual labor work. Pick it up.
Holy Christ.
Right?
That's
Okay,
heavy.
put it down. Pick up the high exhaust in the center with one hand. How's that for power to weight savings?
Nothing.
Dude, look how much progress we've made.
So I was on a conference
What do you
call.
got? Whoa, what's this? DD merch. DD merch.
At the end of the video, you have to wait.
Okay, fair enough, fair enough.
Why isn't this done yet? What are you doing around here? Huh?
Listen, tough guy, come here. You gotta take the challenge. You gotta take the challenge. Pick that up with one hand.
Holy.
Pick it right up off the ground.
Holy.
Pick it up off the ground. Go.
What? That's gotta be 300 pounds.
It's probably over 100.
No, way more than that. That's 300 pounds.
It's not 300 pounds.
That's more than 100 pounds.
It's more than 100
More
pounds.
than 100 pounds, I think.
Right?
Valve actuators, how big they are.
Yeah, they're
You can open the
huge.
front door with that.
Boom! We're making moves now, boys. We are making moves. Next step, I don't know. What is the next step?
Lots of noise.
Lots of noise. It does not sound like that, thank God. What's this gonna sound like? Well, Jamie, cue in the LaFerrari sound. Yep, it's gonna sound like that. Out with the old, in with the new. Like Dave does with his wife.
2 for 2? No, that's 0 for 2.
Oh! Yeah. How many more bolts until we can fire this thing up? How many? The audience wants to know.
100?
Pretty accurate.
Explain to us why there's an X pipe in the back of this Corvette.
X-Men! Engage!
The exhaust comes from this side of the engine, and it'll interfere with this one, and go with this one, and this one, and this one.
But why does that matter?
Just because the convex of the exhaust will go back and forth.
Nah, it's the third letter at the end of the alphabet.
It's more like a F1 car now.
Yeah, it is! Yeah, it is! Oh, yeah.
LaFerrari.
No, hold on. I thought you said 316 and Charlie Turbos made this.
did.
Hold on, why is he taking He's trying to take credit for Charlie's build here. Oh, look at that. Charlie Turbo is actually calling me. Hello, Charlie. Charlie bit my finger.
Real hard.
Hey, someone's trying to take credit for your welding here. Some gearhead. How different is this gonna sound, Charlie?
A little bit of European car sound to an American car that wants to be a European car.
Yeah. Did you drive the C8 at all with this on there? Because the stock muffler has to be over 100 pounds weight loss.
The one I sent you weighs like not even 8 pounds. It's just under 8 pounds. The one that came off of there is about 2,500 tons. So
accurate. Everybody's gotta go follow Charlie Turbos and 316 Speed. Thank you very much.
We're gonna finish this exhaust install, Charlie. Thanks again for building this for us, and 316 Speed.
Exhaust is on! The exhaust is on!
Start it!
I'm so excited!
Start it!
We need to start it. First start.
He's so slow. We want to hear this thing start. All this hard work.
You guys want a key tag? Go to shop the
Start the car. Sorry about him.
Way better!
That's so much better.
What? Does it sound good back there?
Oh, it sounds amazing back there.
This is how little I'm going. Listen to this one. Shut up! Shut up! Shut up! Woo! Hell yeah! Dude, that sounds way better.
Okay, we have a master debate right now. Okay, you took out the mesh. Mesh is gone. However,
gone.
I have a vision. I want to cut this off. It's all open so you'll see all the exhaust.
You really want to do that? There's no going back from that.
Okay, we're DDE. What do? We cut
We're cutting it!
and we sabotage relationships.
Absolutely.
Cut it off.
Cut it off.
Cut it off. Not
Cut
my
it off.
foreskin.
Cut it up. That's weird.
What happened there, Chris?
Is Damon actually going to cut that?
Chris, by the way, get a haircut. Whoa, hold on. Wait. Get off the car real quick.
Nah.
Oh my God!
Damon's first reaction before the audience sees. What do you think?
That's a big difference.
That's so much better.
All right. Nah, that sounds amazing. We'll save it. We'll save it for tomorrow. Okay, Mike, thanks. Have a good night, bro. So Mike said that the car he wanted to show you is just at a different location. So tomorrow, he's gonna bring the car that's gonna be Dave's new supercar. Black, it's mid-engine, it's insane. He told me what it was, I can't tell you what it is. You're gonna have to watch tomorrow's video. Plus, I think I need to get the Lusso. Shopping for a new daily driver.
And my new car has Bluetooth, bro. You see, it really is all in the details here at Daily Driven Exotics. Our merch is made in the same way, by hand in a factory, where Damon Fryer takes red, green, and white, makes a DDE logo on each hoodie. This is DDE. We expect some underload sound clips. Chris, you're underload quite often, aren't you?
Yeah, you are.
Danny, why'd you go running? Where'd you go? You took off.
I was scared.
And Danny outside the car. I want to hear it inside the car. I have the door open. Damon, get in the car. Let's go. Stop being a little baby.
I can't wait. This is actually really sick.
Okay. Under lower RPM, it's not super crazy. It's daily drivable. The pops and the shifts is much more aggressive now. So hop pop, hop pop.
Oh yeah, sounds amazing.
It's definitely louder behind the car, which is what you want. There's no droning.
It's not drony. It's not too much. You gotta remember, this is cat back, so completely legal. Not straight piped.
Yep.
If it was straight piped, it would be really loud.
And the best part, no check engine light.
Listen to this downshift.
Oh, that sounds good.
It's got that like, which is cool.
It kind of sounds like an AMG car.
I didn't think it would sound like this. That sounds cool.
Nah,
The verbals. And this thing has no tune. This is completely factory.
Factory.
Simple exhaust install catback. That's it. It's like really impressive. Listen.
Exhaust is almost as fresh as this new DD merch we're wearing right now.
Facts.
Facts!
Link in description. Imagine with a tune, like this car's got so much potential for the platform. That's gonna be a wrap for today's video. Smash the subscribe button, join the Daily Driven Exotics family. I'm really excited that now this car has a little something to the ears, a little music, right?
Fits in better with the McLaren's Top X exhaust. So, you know, no big deal. And you guys, click the link in the description, download Raid Shadow Legends, and when your friends are doing hard work, go hide in the back and play games. That's what I do.
I want to hear a Ferrari real quick. Ferrari.
Come on, go. He's got an email to do. He has to do a lot of work.
He's on Napster.
Black and mid-engine.
Black mid-engine.
Mid-engine. That's all you wanted.
That's all he cares.
mid-engine.
Well, for now.
Bluetooth.
And hold on, Bluetooth.
Now you're asking for a lot.
Listen, you think you can handle it? Matt's fishing, okay?
Dual clutch as well.
That is fishing.
Go.